I closed 3 client projects last month without writing a single proposal. An AI agent did it while I slept. It scanned Upwork at 6 a.m., drafted personalized pitches, and flagged the 2 jobs actually worth my time. I woke up to Replies. Today I'll show you the exact setup. And the third automation is the one that quietly doubled my hourly rate. Not by finding more clients, by firing the bad ones automatically. Start here. The tool is Lindy, an AI agent builder that runs on triggers, not chat. Free tier works to test this. First automation, lead to proposal. Connect your Gmail. In Lindy, create an agent triggered by new email containing the words quote or availability. Set the action, read the email, pull the project scope, then draft a reply using a template you paste in once. Add your rate card as context. Tell it, match tone to their message. Never commit to a deadline. Now every inbound lead gets a tailored response in 40 seconds instead of you rewriting the same email at 11 p.m. I went from replying to leads in 2 days to 2 minutes. Speed wins freelance work. The first response usually books the job. Second, the discovery call summarizer. This is where most freelancers leak money. You have a great call, then forget half of what they asked for. Connect Fathom or Otter to record the call. Pipe the transcript into a Lindy agent with this prompt. Extract scope, budget signals, red flags, and 3 follow-up questions. Output a 1-page proposal outline. You hang up, and 90 seconds later you have a structured brief and a draft proposal in your inbox. A 3-hour, write it up later, task becomes 4 minutes. And because the agent flags red flags, asked for unlimited revisions, mentioned a tight budget twice, you stop signing nightmare contracts. Third automation, the one that changed my income. The client filter agent. Here's the setup. Every new inquiry runs through a scoring agent before it ever reaches your calendar. You give it your criteria, minimum budget, industries you like, deadline, sanity. The prompt. Score this lead 1 to 10. If under 6, send this polite decline. If over 6, book them and notify me. Now, the low-value clients, the ones who'd eat your weekends for $400, get filtered out automatically. You never even see them. What's left is a calendar full of jobs worth your rate. That's how you raise your hourly rate without raising your price. You just stop spending hours on work that pays nothing. The setup takes about 90 minutes total. Here's the part nobody tells you. Don't build all 3 at once. Start with the lead response agent, run it for a week, and only then chain the others on. Agents that trigger each other break silently. Build one, confirm it fires, then connect the next. One more layer if you want to go further. Connect the whole thing to a Notion database. Every lead the agent scores gets logged automatically. Name, budget, score, status. Within a month, you have data on where your best clients actually come from. Mine came from one specific subreddit. I almost stopped checking. I'd have never known without the log. Quick reality check, because I promised no hype. These agents draft, they don't decide. Read every proposal before it sends. Set the lead response agent to create draft, not send, for the first 2 weeks until you trust the tone. And the free tier caps your monthly runs. So once this is making you money, the $29 plan pays for itself in one saved afternoon. The real shift isn't automation. It's that you stop being reactive. Right now, your business runs on you checking email. After this, the work sorts itself before you sit down, and you spend your hours on the paid work only you can do. If you build one thing today, build the lead response agent. It's the fastest win, and it starts making you money the moment the next inquiry lands. Subscribe, because tomorrow I'm showing you how to turn that Notion lead database into an agent that writes your entire portfolio case studies from your own project logs automatically. That one's wild. See you then.